Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this wonderful 1-minute instant raspberry ice cream. Okay, so here we have 2 bananas that were put into a Ziploc bag. It was cut into small slices and it was put overnight into the freezer. So I've just taken it out and this will be an integral part of this recipe. So I'm just going to add in all of this banana pieces into the blender. I have a bag of frozen raspberries, so I'm just going to put in like a handful of frozen raspberries into the blender as well. So I've got a bowl of a small bowl of raspberries, frozen raspberries. This one goes inside. So here you can skip this step, but what we're going to do is add in some honey. If you don't have this, you can add some sugar or some maple syrup or some sort of sugar syrup. So around like 1 tablespoon worth goes inside. And then it's time to close this up and then give it a blend. Okay, so this is after blending it, and it's turned into this wonderful ice cream, raspberry and banana. So now it's time to put it into the bowl. Okay, so here we have 2 of the ice creams put into a bowl, and then what I'm just going to do is get a couple of the frozen raspberry pieces from the bag that I showed you earlier. You know, if you have some fresh raspberries, that's also fine, but you want to freeze these overnight. So yeah, use these couple of raspberries to just give it a bit of an extra though. I can add some more, perhaps. Okay, so right here, this is totally up to you. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it sugar free, but you can like add some chocolate syrup or some, some strawberry syrup if you want, or some type of syrup that you feel that you will appreciate to add on top of it. But it's kind of fine to have it like this. Okay, you saw how to make this 1-minute instant raspberry ice cream. I'm just going to do a quick taste. So it's amazing how it becomes ice cream just by adding in a couple of frozen fruits into it and mixing them together. Wow, that is marvelous. That is marvelous. The most dominant fruit that I can taste is the raspberry, but the texture of the banana is what actually carries the raspberry whilst you're having this. Absolutely wonderful, very, very, very refreshing. And with that said, do view our playlist of desserts. So view our list of desserts on the bottom right of the screen, and you will see other options of desserts or beverages as well on the screen. So with that said, catch you in the next one.